Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we are going to provide a solution to this interesting equation. 3p minus 5q minus 4 is equal to 5p plus 8 and also equal to 2p plus q plus 7. So how can we solve this system of equation? Because we have a lot of different combinations. This is the same thing as this. This is the same thing as that. This is equal to this. This is equal to that. A lot of different combinations. So I would like to form two equations here. If I take this, I set it to be equal to this. I may also take this and set it to be equal to that. So we have 3p minus 5q minus 4 to be equal to 5p plus 8. This is my equation number 1. And I can take 2p plus q plus 7 and set it to be equal to the same 5p plus 8. And this is my second equation. Yes, now we have system of equations. So from this equation number 2, I would like to make q the subject. So I will take this and that to the other side, leaving only q equals, already we have 5p plus 8 to the other side. As this crosses over, it becomes negative 2p. Then as 7 crosses over, it becomes negative 7. So let's simplify. 5p minus 2p will give us 3p. Then 8 minus 7 will give us positive 1. So the value of q is equal to 3p plus 1. Let me call this equation number 3. Now I would like to plug in equation number 3 into equation number 1. If you are writing, please state whatever you are doing. So instead you should write substitute equation number 3 in number 1. Equation number 3 into equation number 1. So wherever we have q in equation number 1, we are going to replace it with 3p plus 1. So we have 3p here minus 5 multiplied by q, but q is 3p plus 1. Then minus 4. Then this is equal to 5p plus 8. So now we are going to solve this equation for p. This is 3p. Minus 5 times 3 is minus 15. P. Minus 5 times 1 is minus 5. Then minus 4. This is equal to 5p plus 8. We are going to bring those variables to the left and those constants to the other side. So I have 3p here. 3p minus 15p. Then we have 5p to the other side. As it crosses over, it becomes negative 5p. This is equal to, we have a constant 8 here. Then to the left, we have how many constants? 1, 2. They're all going to be positive, 5 and 4. But since I don't have more space here, let me add them directly. This is going to give us negative 9, right? As negative 9 crosses over, it becomes positive 9. All right. So this minus that will give us negative 12, right? Negative 12, negative 5 is negative 17. So this is negative 17p equals, this plus this will give us 17, exactly. So to solve for p, we are going to divide both sides by negative 17. So 17 divided by negative 17 will give us negative 1, and hence p is equal to negative 1. We have solved for p. Then what about q? Remember, we have equation in terms of q. So from, or let me say, put p equals negative 1 in equation number 3. Yes. Equation number 3 said q is equal to 3p plus 1. So wherever we have p, we are going to replace it with negative 1. Therefore, q is equal to 3 multiplied by negative 1 plus 1. 3 times negative 1 is negative 3, and negative 3 plus 1 is negative 2, and hence q is negative 2. Finally, you can join them together. P comma q equals, the value of p is negative 1, then the value of q is negative 2. And hence, negative 1 and negative 2 for p and q respectively is said to be the solution to this problem. If you like, you can take these two values, substitute them here to see whether you're going to get the same values. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye-bye.